how do I turn this rug that's, when I pick it up, was flat, no vivid, no shine. It was dull. The lady have 3 dogs, a bulldog and 2 French bulldog. They'd almost never peed on the rug, but they laid on the rug. It's comfortable. So when they lick himself, when they laid on the rug, and sometimes making some pee-pee, all of this combined together to a wet dog smell. And the rug smell nasty, especially when you move the rug. Then the air ignite the bacteria that's laid deep inside the rug, and the aroma of the wet, musty, nasty smell come to the air. And who likes something like this? No one. And where is all this bacteria? In the middle of the rug. Think about it. If you have 1 inch of material, the bacteria only maybe 10% is on the top, and all the rest of it is in the middle, where is the hard surface, the foundation of the rug. Where is the wool twisted around the cotton. To remove it, you have to remove it by washing the rug through the fiber. If you wash the rug through the fiber, you will rinse all the urine crystal, the bacteria, everything's, then it's deep inside the foundation of the rug. To do that, I put together a cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Organic, eatable, odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. And a very, very strong vinegar. The combination of 2 of them will break down the oily from the dog skin and break down the urine crystal, then it's deep inside the foundation of the rug. The vinegar is the enemy of the bacteria. And this it was special about my cleaning process. The special about my cleaning process is the ability to extract all the cleaner, the natural Dead Sea cleaner, from the top through the foundation of the rug. It takes a lot of time for me to develop the XpetPee machine. But when I put it together with the Dead Sea cleaner, the result for every homeowner was surprisingly amazing. The 5-star reviews on Google proves that what I promised to my customer, I deliver. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call today. We will guide you how to fold the rug the right way, and UPS will come to your door and pick up the package. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense, and it is organic.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.